Hello, in front of me I've got INFINIX Smart 6 HD. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Wallet app. In the beginning, let's enter Google Wallet. And as you can see from the homepage of this app, you can add a card or view wallet tips. Also, you can add different types of cards like transit pass, loyalty or gift card. If you go here, you've got access to your Google account, wallet tips, tap to pay setup, which is unavailable on this phone because it doesn't have NFC, full list of participating banks, and password manager. In your data in wallet, you can manage payments data and manage passes data. In wallet settings, you can manage payments profile, add passes from Gmail, enable or disable review purchases, updates about your passes, and updates from wallet and Google Pay. Then we've got help and feedback. And that's it for Google Wallet. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.